So I finally reviewed all of the Conjuring movies from the universe, all 10 movies. So now I'm going to rank all the 10 Conjuring movies from the worst to the best. In 10th place, we have Annabelle. The first Annabelle film had potential but failed to deliver. The doll is creepy, but the story is generic and the scares are predictable. The characters are underwritten and the pacing drags. It feels like a rushed attempt to capitalize on the Conjuring success. Creation improves the mythology while this installment remains the weakest, and I give Annabelle a D+. In ninth place, we have The Nun. Despite introducing Valak, one of the franchise's most iconic villains, The Nun suffers from thin characters and repetitive scares. The Romanian Abbey setting is stunning, but the story lacks emotional depth. The scares rely heavily on loud noises and sudden appearances. It's more style than substance. Though, I will say it laid groundwork for the future lore that we got. So I give it a C+. In eighth place, we have The Curse of La Llorona. This film introduces Latin American folklore into the Conjuring universe. La Llorona is a tragic figure, and the movie explores themes of motherly guilt and cultural heritage. Linda Cardellini's performance grounds the supernatural in real emotion. The movie struggles with pacing and doesn't fully capitalize on its unique mythology. It feels more like a side story than a core entry, and I have to give it a B-. In seventh place, we have The Nun 2. This sequel improves on its predecessor by giving Sister Irene more agency and expanding Valak's backstory. Set in France, it uses Gothic architecture and religious imagery to build the atmosphere. The scares are better, though still rely on jump tactics. The lore deepens, connecting Valak to other cursed objects. It's visually rich but narratively safe, and I give it a B+. In sixth place, we have Annabelle Comes Home. This film turns the Warren's artifact room into a haunted sandbox. It's lighter in tone, almost a horror adventure with multiple entities unleashed in one night. The teen protagonists bring fresh energy, and the movie feels like a supernatural night at the museum if the movie was set in the Warren's artifact room and Ben Stiller was being chased by a haunted bride and werewolf. But instead we have Madison Eisman and McKenna Grace. It's not deep, but it's fun and inventive, with nods to more anthology spin-offs in the future hopefully, and I give it a B+. In fifth place, we have The Conjuring, The Devil Made Me Do It. This entry breaks from the haunted house formula and dives into a real-life murder trial where demonic possession is used as a defense. It's more procedural, with the Warrens acting as detectives, and the shift in tone is refreshing, though it sacrifices some of that atmospheric dread. The emotional core remains strong, especially Lorraine's psychic journey and Ed's vulnerability. It's ambitious, if uneven, and expands the universe's thematic range. I give The Devil Made Me Do It a B+. In fourth place, we have The Conjuring Last Rites. As the final chapter in the Warren saga, Last Rites aims for emotional closure. It revisits past cases, ties up loose ends, and introduces Judy Warren as a spiritual successor. The film's tone is sad, with a focus on legacy and sacrifice. While not the scariest entry, it's rich in lore and character development. The return of Valak in the artifact room creates a sense of full-circle storytelling. Last Rites is a love letter to longtime fans, and I give it a B+. In third place, we have Annabelle Creation. David F. Sandberg took a weak origin story and gave it depth, dread, and emotional weight. Set in an isolated orphanage, the film